Hello everyone, welcome to my biology class. So in this video I'm going to teach you homeostasis, that is biology. Alright, so here is some question answer I will give you how you can write. Number one question, what is osmoregulation? What is osmoregulation? So osmoregulation is the control of the water potential of body fluid. That means that is the control of the body of the fluids in the body. So this regulation is an important part of homeostasis and involves the hypothalamus and posterior pituitary gland and the kidney. So here is the involves which one? That is osmoregulation, that is the humans, the kidney is responsible for osmoregulation, that is the human's kidney. So how the kidney work, you know that, right? You can watch my previous video so you can get some idea. And here is also posterior pituitary gland. So this is our pituitary gland, guys. And also here is a this is a hypothalamus. So here is the involved hypothalamus, pituitary gland and kidney. That is the regulation is an important part of homeostasis. Let's go next one. Next question. What is osmoreceptor? Osmoreceptor. So a receptor cell that is sensitive to the water potential of the blood. So that means the water potential of the blood is constantly monitored by specialized sensory neurons in the hypothalamus, that is known as osmoreceptor. When these cells detect a decrease in the water potential of the blood, so that is the nerve impulses are sent and along the neurons to where they terminate in the posterior pituitary gland. So here is another question, that is how ADH. So ADH, what do you mean by ADH? ADH, that means antidiuretic hormone, affects the kidney. How it affect the kidney? So we know that water is reabsorbed by osmosis from the fluid in the nephron. Where is it? That is nephron. So as the fluid passes through the collecting duct, the cells of the collecting duct are target cells for ADH, that is the hormone. So ADH, that is the peptide hormones made of 9 amino acid. How many amino acid? 9 amino acids, and molecules of ADH enter the blood in capillaries and carried all over the body. The effect of ADH is reduce the loss of water in the urine by making the kidney reabsorb as much water as possible. So how is work? So here is the answer, guys. So ADH binds to receptor in the cell surface membrane. What is it? That is cell surface membrane and of the cell lining the collecting duct. So what is the collecting duct? Collecting tube cells. This is a collecting and this is a collecting duct, guys. So this activates a series of enzyme controlled reactions ending with production of an active phosphorylase enzyme, and it causes vesicle and surrounded by membrane containing water permeable channel, that is aquaporin. So here you can see this is a water, guys. So this is a water. So This change in permeability is brought about by increasing the number of water permeable channels, and that is the known as aquaporin. What's that? That is aquaporin. Aquaporin. So it's come this way. All right, and this is a collecting tubule cell, and that is aquaporin storage vesicle, this one, and this is the lumen of collecting tubule, and blood stream. Here, blood stream. First you need to draw and label it. It can help you to understand easily. All right, so what happened next? So it causes vesicles and surrounded by membrane containing water permeable channel, that is aquaporin, to move to the, what is it, cell surface membrane. Cell surface membrane. These vesicles fuse with cell surface membrane, and water can now move freely through the membrane down into water potential gradient. So water come this way and is passing out. So that is the into the concentration tissue fluid and blood plasma in the medulla of the kidney. Where is it? It's a kidney. So you need to first draw a diagram. It can help you. And aquaporin pores are inserted. So here you see that this is go this way and this way. So this is the inserted into cell membrane, and in increasing flow of water out of tubules. So it's flow out of tubules. So here is another, that is the water channel, guys. You see that is the water fluid flow down through the collecting duct. That is the water molecules move through the wire, that is the aquaporins, out of the tubule into the tissue fluid. And this happens because the tissue fluid in the medulla has a very low water potential, and the fluid in the collecting ducts has a very high water potential. So that is the cell membrane. This one is a cell membrane. So the fluid in the collecting ducts loses water and becomes more concentrated. So the secretion of ADH, so this is a ADH hormone, that is the antidiuretic hormone. ADH has caused the increased reabsorption of water into the blood. So what happened? The volume of urine, that is, which flow from the kidney into the bladder, and will be smaller, and the urine will be more concentrated. So yeah, so guys, I hope that's all for today. Thank you for watching, and see you soon with another new video. And keep watching and keep practicing. Draw a diagram, label it, color it, and watch the video again. Go through your textbooks. There is some question answer you try to figure out. That way you can improve your biology. Thank you so much, and good luck your biology test. Thank you so much.